Hi, it's me Sudarshan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Zone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove S mode from your PC or laptop. You can see here your laptop is on S mode or not. Go to this PC properties. And you can see here Windows 10 Home in S mode. Now minimize this icon. If you're trying to install something on this type of laptop, you can see message of S mode. I am going to try something installing on my laptop. Where you can see message of Windows 10 in S mode runs Microsoft verified apps. Now go to the Microsoft App Store. And go to the app search bar and type here switch out of S mode. Check on this. Now you can see S mode get option here. Now click on Get Options. Enter here your Microsoft account. Click on Next. Enter here your Microsoft account password. Click here for Sign In. Now click on Get. Now right-click on this PC and go to the properties. You can see here S mode is removed from Windows 10 Home. Follow this step, it will work on all types of Windows and all versions of Windows. Now I am going to install something to see it will work or not. I am going to try for install this one. You can see here this file installing smoothly. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, subscribe and share.